Hi, I'm Marty. I'm a builder, but when I was 16 years old, I thought, what do I want to do? I'm good with my hands. I'll become a bricklayer. So I did a 4-year apprenticeship as a bricklayer. That's my passion. But I've done lots of other things in the building industry. But what I want to concentrate on is bricklaying, because you can do a lot of good little jobs around your house to improve the value of your home with bricklaying, like garden edging, a letterbox, a barbecue, a fire pit, some paving. There's lots of little things you can do that will look good, but the thing is you need to know is to get that professional finish. That's what I'm going to teach you, how to get that professional finish. And it's not going to be hard. I'm going to take you step by step and you'll learn that. I'll teach you things like tools you need, how to mix mortar. The mortar is the stuff you lay the bricks in. Um, how to get that finish, use a string line, a level, how to cut a brick. That's important. So let's get started.